I taste delicious. Would you knock it off, dude? That's disgusting. Guys, I have come to an idea. What is it? Dodo Bird and Peacock should fight in an UFC octagon ring. Wait, what? This is gonna be fun to watch. This is incredible. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Pester Flightless Bird Championship, a show where birds fight. This is a one-round, winner match. Let's go to the introductions. Good job, Goose. Dude, he is not talking about me. He is talking about you, and I'm watching you from the UFC announcement table. This means the world. One bird is supposed to lose and one bird is supposed to win in this match. Here we have Challenger 1, Dodo.Bird. People call him the Blue Cesar of experts and king of flightless bird puns. He stands 40 centimeters tall and has 37 knockouts from practicing his roundhouse kicks. And we have Challenger 2, Peacock. He is almost as tall as a toddler. People call him the Sultan of colorful bean tails and overload of Dodo's friend. Hey Dodo, ha ha ha, did someone just put a cassowary in a blender? Let's make it a clear fight. Gentlemen, no disqualifications. You two fight. Let's go, come on. Wow, your favorite. Food must be scream squash. Hey Dodo, you look real birdie. Well in A. Flightless bird. Alright. Well, you know what? Your skin tone is so blue that a group of female flightless birds look disgusted. Hey, hey Peacock. What? How many dodos does it take to screw in a light bulb? There's a little pulp in that one. Hey Peacock, what is silent but deadly? What? A dodo bird doing a roundhouse kick. I can sing. N-Y-A-N, Y-A.N, Y-A-N, Y-A.N, Y-A-N plub. Whoever screams the longest wins this championship. Okay. What just happened? I'm trying to sleep. Oh, it was just a bad dream. It's nighttime.